Elevate your sales with an emotion-packed digital journey for your home buyers. Introducing VirtualHomes, an all-new way of selling real estate. Fly through an aerial view with dynamic time control for unprecedented clarity. Understand project connectivity and surroundings from anywhere and know what's around you with a single click. Dive into the unbuilt future with our advanced VR experience, where you can feel every amenity as if you're already there. Filter out the best option based on size, price, and availability served directly from your CRM. Personalize your space on your own with custom wall colors, flooring, and finishes. Review the promised future home views with proposed landscape to ensure clear, unobstructed views. Know the right Vastu direction with our dynamic compass, ensuring all your checkboxes are ticked. Secure your dream home before anyone else with our instant online booking engine. Contact the sales manager by chat, video call, or get 24/7 support from our ChatGPT-powered AI chatbot. Our sophisticated back-end system tracks the entire user journey, providing deep data to optimize what works best for you. VirtualHomes, removing the word imagine from your sales pitch forever. Check our demo now.